If you're a solo cleaner or perhaps you have a small operation, 1 to 5 employees, here is some cleaning equipment that you might want to consider buying to get more profits and step up your game. Let's start with the most expensive item on this list, but something that can drastically change the clients you can take on and the profits you can get. And that is a quality floor scrubbing machine. Some jobs are too big for a vacuum and a mop, and that is where a floor scrubber comes in handy. Next on the list is quality backpack vacuums. The reason I say backpack vacuums is because they have great filters in place, but most importantly, they really do speed up the cleaning process, giving you more profits at the end of the day. This video was taken long ago and I still remember it to this day, but backpack vacuums can save you. If you're cleaning a massive house or a commercial facility, backpack vacuums can cut that cleaning time down compared to big shop vacs that you're lugging around or other vacuums. Next on the list is a good quality drill brush. Drill brushes are awesome for so many different things, but especially if you clean dirty grout lines and dirty tile, a drill brush is going to save you a bunch of time and again, giving more profits back to you. They're not overly expensive, but they do work super good. Extra scrubbing power is what you get with a drill brush. And the next thing is a water-fed pole window cleaning system. I know that's a lot to take in, but if you do offer window cleaning, these things are awesome. And again, they really do speed up your cleaning and you can take on higher windows where you make more profits. So another item to keep in mind. Another item that is not overly priced is an extension pole with a scraper attached to it. I see a ton of people using scrapers, blades, and razor blades, but I am shocked at the amount of people that don't know that you can buy them for higher reach things. So make sure to invest in one of those. And the last on this list, but one of my personal favorites, is a quality steam cleaner. Steam cleaners can be used on so many different tasks that make your life a whole lot easier. And the general public loves steam cleaning, and every one of your clients is gonna love it when you show up with a fancy steam cleaner. It just makes everyone feel like the job is done a lot better. Steam cleaners can sanitize and cut through grease without the use of chemicals, and that is something that a lot of people are looking for nowadays. And the other thing is the heat that you get from a steam cleaner just breaks down all that grime so much faster compared to you scrubbing.